Welcome to Mama Joan house where it's hot, and when I said hot I mean it hot like a scotch bonnet pepper. Guys, today I'm gonna make some ackee and saltfish and roast breadfruit back home style, you know. But the only difference with this, I don't have no coal stove for roast the breadfruit pan, so I'm gonna roast the breadfruit in my oven. A lot of people love roast breadfruit, but I don't know if a lot of people know how to roast it in the oven. But I'm going to roast it in the oven and show you guys how you can roast the breadfruit in the oven. And it come out just like it on a roll pan, the cold stove. Alright guys, so I'm going to get right into it now. I'm going to show you how it works. So guys, I'm going to go right into the video now. I'm starting with the breadfruit. So for prepare the breadfruit, when you go roast it in the oven, you take out the stem, which this is the stem. So you cut out this out of the middle of the breadfruit, and you make an X at the bottom. See? Make an X at the bottom. Then you get some coconut oil or olive oil, any kind of oil you can use. Some oil, and you rub it over the breadfruit. Rub it over the breadfruit like this, you know. That's how I do it. Rub some oil over it, prepare it, and then I wrap it in some foil. This is a small breadfruit, it's not a big breadfruit. So we wrap this in some foil like this. You wrap it up like that in the foil like this, and then you make sure it cover up, seal up nicely, and we put it in the oven. And you put the oven on 350, and you roast this for an hour and a half because it's small. Usually when it's bigger it's like a 2-hour roast. So at 350 for an hour and a half, and you just keep turning it around every so often so that you make sure everything just roasts. Okay, so guys, the breadfruit, roast the breadfruit, and the breadfruit roast. I make it stay for a little longer, for about a 2 hour. Okay, so the breadfruit is roast and it is ready. I know you guys say I just take the breadfruit out of the oven with my hand, but you do not follow me. You guys make sure to use a thing. My hand is resistant to heat, so it can take some heat. Okay, so I'm going to open it and I'm going to see. This is what it look like when it finished roast. So this is what it look like. Okay, so when this cool off now, I'm going to peel it and fry it. So the next step now is to do the ackee and the saltfish. This is the saltfish. I use codfish, salt cod. That's what I use, because this is the original saltfish, not the other one where you see them myself. This is the original salt cod. And I have here, I have my ackee, a tin of ackee. Like when I do Jamaica, so I can't use the fresh ackee. I have to use the one at the tin. Okay, I may have, this is my onion, this is 1 onion, 1 tomato, and my bell pepper, my sweet pepper, and my scotch bonnet pepper, guys. Okay, because you can't leave out the scotchy, you understand me? And a piece of thyme. I don't put out the thyme yet, but I put some thyme in there. And then I use some garlic plus all seasoning, and I use like a veggie seasoning pan the veggie, you know, just to give it another little extra flavor, you know, just to bring some spice to the thing, you know. So that is that. The saltfish, I boil that 3 times just to boil out the salt out of it. So I have some boiling here now. So here, as you can see, I have this boiling now, and it kind of finished boil. So I'm gonna take this out of this water, and this water will leave. I'm gonna put the gonna put the ackee in this water and let the ackee cook in this water for half an hour, and I'll be right back. I am opening the ackee with the can opener. My son said because I'm come from back home, I think me use my teeth and open the can. But him lucky I don't give him a goddamn smack up him head side. If I come and talk about me, I go use my teeth and open the can. But it's all good. But guys, this is the ackee. We Canadian have to eat tin ackee. Unless we go to Jamaica and bring it fresh from Jamaica, pick off of the tree we sell, we have to just do the can thing. Okay. So this I go boil for half an hour. I give it a half an hour. That way them know say it still cook. Because I have people say them cook it without doing that. I cannot do that. I have to boil it at least for 20 minutes to a half an hour. It really need 20 minutes, but that's 20 minutes to half an hour is good. Okay. Look how it's pretty. For something we're roasting at the oven, look how it's pretty. Okay, so now put it in 4. Still hot. Watch it steam so you know how hot it is. And then you're going to take out the middle. You have to cut this out. Because you have to always get rid of this. This is garbage. I wish if I could have grown a breadfruit tree in Canada. So guys, as you could see, breadfruit ready for fry, and then I'm gonna cook up my saltfish with my seasoning. That's it for that. So right now, just follow me over to the stove. So me I go cook up the seasoning now for the saltfish. The oil for fry my breadfruit is hot. So I want to turn on the fire a little bit, and I'm gonna get to my breadfruit. You don't want it too hot. I don't want to burn it, you know. So I'm turn down the fire anyway. Guys, we know like I'm doing some dangerous thing, but I am used to doing these things. Please use a fork, guys, so that you don't burn on yourself. Alright? The boys, them like when you sprinkle a little bit of salt on it. You can put salt on it, and you don't have to put salt on it if you don't want to. But my son like a little bit of salt on it, so I just sprinkle a little bit of salt on it. Not too much. Give it a little turn because the pot was so hot, you know. So you have to give it a turn on the early stage because the pot was so hot. It brown. Yeah, when it brown on one side, get nice and yellow. You know, nice and brown, nice brown color, you know, yellowish, brownish color. This breadfruit is like a sweetish kind of breadfruit, so it just give it that nice yellow browny look. And this now is my seasoning, cooking up for my ackee and my saltfish. So I have tomato, onion, bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm gonna put in the saltfish in there now. Okay, put the catfish in that. This is the saltfish. Bring it over. Put that in. So let us stir. Let that one cook up a little bit. Okay. Then go back to the breadfruit. Yeah. So guys, even though we're not there Canada, even though we're not there Jamaica, we are in Canada, and you guys in the States are all over the world. If you can get breadfruit to buy, you know, in any kind of store. You can just, as I said, roast it in the oven, fry it, you know, make your ackee and your saltfish and your breadfruit, and you're good to go. And it's a good Jamaican dish, you know, and it's easy to make, very easy to make, guys. I wish you could smell what I can smell, the aroma coming from the onion, the tomato, the bell pepper, the scotch bonnet pepper. Nice flavor. And now I'm gonna sprinkle some garlic plus all in it on top of the saltfish. Sprinkle some of that in there. I would say it's about 2 teaspoons, I would say. And the same thing with the veggie seasoning. This is good for the veggie too. Another nice flavor. Turn my fire down so it don't get too hot, too much heat, you know, because you don't want nothing to burn. You just want everything to just take its sweet time and cook up, you know, cook up together. And don't forget, guys, you put a little bit of black pepper in it too, you know. Give it some black pepper. Give it about a teaspoon of black pepper. The sprinkle, but it's about a teaspoon of black pepper. And you get some thyme. You just have to put a little bit of thyme. You can, Ackee and saltfish no nice unless it have a little bit of thyme flavor. Thyme kind of crispy, but it will work still, you know. A little bit of thyme in there. Stir it up. And now for the ackee. Put the ackee in there now. Alright, there we go. The ackee kind of have 2 color, because when you're at Jamaica, you pick your ackee from the tree, you just get 1 yellow color. When you buy it from the can, you end up with 2 color in the can. I don't know how they manage that, but some can give you 2 color, some can just give you 1 color. It's so happen that I end up with a 2 color can. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why them keep doing them things. They might make something them and they might make them with 2 color. You know, you have some ackee coming like butter and some ackee white. You know. Oh, okay. Back to the frying of the breadfruit. I'm not back the store with the breadfruit. This one is okay. So guys, this is the finished product of the ackee and the saltfish. So this is all ready to eat. And then you come over here, and this is the fried breadfruit. Look how that is so brown, pretty, and yumptious, delicious. I really wish if you guys was near to me, close to me, where I could really share this with you guys. Okay guys, so guys, I come to the end of my roast breadfruit and my ackee and saltfish over there. So I'm gonna make a nice plate for D'Angelo to eat, and then he would tell you guys how it tastes. Guys, this is my plate, finish presentation, and I'm gonna have D'Angelo taste this. So guys, I would like you to like it, subscribe it, and hit that post notification belly thing of mine. And guys, please try and do this. It's very easy. Okay, so D'Angelo gonna eat some of this and make me know how it tastes. I make you guys know how it tastes. Okay guys?
Alright. I have to put on the Jamaican for Uno guys today, okay? Okay, today I'm gonna have some breadfruit and ackee and a saltfish. Alright? So if you guys know, if you're from the yard, we're gonna use utensil. Okay? Our breadfruit after we use utensil. So I'm gonna taste this. Guys, this is succulent. The ackee. Guys, Guys, let me tell you something. I don't have to try this one year. Listen. I don't know. I keep saying the same thing. Mama actually does the same thing. I don't know if she's because she's cooking it for you guys, but this tastes so good, guys. This is absolutely wonderful. The tomato, the onion, the ackee, the honey and guys. I hope you guys enjoy this one, guys. Please, guys, you have to make it. It takes less than half an hour to make, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. Make the breadfruit from early, put it down. Make sure you guys cut it. I like it to be cut up small so it's fried nice and crispy, guys. But guys, make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys are subscribed here at Mama Joan's kitchen, Mama Joan's house, sorry. And make sure you guys turn on that bell so you guys don't miss a post from me, because she does it all. Alright, guys, you don't know what's gonna happen, you don't know what she's gonna do, but this right here, guys, you have to try, guys. Alright, I'm gonna dig in. I'm taking this whole plate with me. We out of here.